请站在感应区内。请从后门进。
Hello guys, I'm Elvis. I'm now in the COB and CSP workshop of Minship. First of all, I will briefly introduce the features of COB and CSP. Compared with SMD products, the light efficiency of COB and CSP is generally lower, but they also have many advantages. Because COB and CSP use Philip chip technology, no welding wire is needed. Therefore, compared with SMD, they will behave better in atmospheric exposure tests, such as cold and heat test, Salisbury test, high temperature and high humidity test, and so on. Comparing with SMD beads, only a few grams of tension bear capacity, COB and CSP generally can go to the several hundred grams. And generally speaking, COB and CSP will have a higher bead density, so they also have the characteristics of uniform light, no spot. Let's go and find out how such perfect products are produced. First of all, we carry out the treatment of tunneling soldering test with no PB on the FPCB board. This process is to facilitate the subsequent welding of plates. Then, the chip and resistor can be fixed to the FPCB board by dumb bonder. Then the product will reflow welding. And then we will do first lighten test. After which it's ready for dispensing by our experienced engineers for dispensing. After mixing, defoaming, and inspection, the product can be put into the automatic dispensing machine and then proceed to the second lighten test. Then the product will be sent to the oven for short roasting and a long roasting. After roasting, it will be cooled to a room temperature. After passing the third lighten test, the plate will be cut and welded. After the welding is completed, the agent test will be carried out, and it can be put into storage after packing. In the process of packing into storage, two tests will be carried out to ensure the quality of the product is up to standard. How's that? Do you understand now how COB and CSP are produced? Follow me, and next time I will take you to see the SMD workshop.